Welcome back. Spring of Kocheli Mapsa needs attention and cleanliness. People of Kocheli have requested the authorities to start Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by cleaning the spring. Locals have alleged that the spring water is polluted by closely located scrapyards.
This is the spring of Kocheli in Mapsa. People used to utilize this spring water for domestic use, but now the water is polluted. Some locals claim that few scrapyards release harmful chemical in the spring due to which people cannot consume or use the water.
ही जर पहिली असली पळय तशी ही जर आता कांयच उरोंक ना कित्याक तर वयले हे स्क्रॅपाचे जे उदक सडटा हेचे केमिकलाचे ते येवन भितर मिक्स जाता आनी लोक न्हातात कितें करतात कपडे धुतात बायलांक कितें इन्फेक्शन जाता पायांक हेका तेका आंगांक तेका ते हे म्हणटा हांव सरकारान कितें तरी येवन हांगसर कितें ते पोवन वचपाचें आनी
हे उदीक न्हू आदी आमी खातालीं आतां न्हू हे सगळें उदीक घाण येता आनी गटाराचें येता आनी हितून मातशें तुमी लक्ष घालचें अशें म्हणून मागता आमी आतां आनी कोण खायना हें उदीक आनी गांठयां बिट्या खूब येता तीं भायलीं तेका लागून आमी हें करता आनी कोयर बी सगळो हाडून लोक वता हांगासर आनी सांगल्यार कसो आयकना.
People have asked the authorities to clean the spring and do the needful.
गोंयांत सुरवात हांगासरल्यान करची कारण ज्या हिशोबान पळय तेंच्यांनी पळय उतर दिला आनी लोक बेटे झाडू घेवन दाखयतात तेंच्यांनी स्वता प्रत्यक्षान हांगासर येवन तेंच्यांनी पळोवचें आनी हांगासरल्यान सुरवात करची. आमच्या कुचेल्यान ते वटेन हरशीं कितकेशे 1000 स्क्वेअर मिटरांनी ते लोकांनी शेतां पडलेलीं आसा. लोक शेतां करपाक वाजेतात रिजन फक्त कितें भितर सरल्या उपरांत पांयांक इन्फेक्शन जाता आनी कितें खाज कशी सुट्टा.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Jet Airways have launched their maiden direct flight to Abu Dhabi from Goa on Saturday. Now, people can fly directly to UAE without a stop. Jet Airways' aim is to enhance global connectivity to different places in the world. Jet Airways will operate around 50 daily flights to multiple destinations in the Gulf, Europe, North America, Africa and Middle East. The first direct flight departed at 5:15 from Goa.
It's really a historic day for all of us in Goa, the Jet Airways team, because we have been able to meet a long-standing demand of Goa, that is to start a direct flight out of Goa, an international flight out and out from Goa to with customs immigrations out of here itself. So we have launched our Goa Abu Dhabi flight today. The flight departs Goa at 5:15 in the morning, comes in from Abu Dhabi at 4:15, goes at 5:15. So it has been a huge pleasure for all of us to be able to put in this flight.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.